Check out this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the Greystone Metallic, Ebony, leather-appointed front seats, 1LT preferred equipment group, window, power, rear sliding, seat adjuster, driver 6-way power, glass, solar redeep tinted, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, engine block heater, alternator, dual, 125 amps each, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, skid plate package, interior plus package, wheels, 17 inches, 43.2 centimeters, painted seal and the snowplow prep package. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.